Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Cords. My name is Jan, and today I am excited to share with you this box. I just got it in the mail today. I'm excited. What's in this box, you might ask? Well, I may be a little bit of a tea addict, but I am especially thrilled about this. This tea comes from Canada. Not your typical place to grow tea, but I found a place in BC that grows it. Let's get this box open. Ooh. So exciting. Got some paperwork about it. This is adorable. Jan, enjoy your teas, Kaylee. That is so cute, and their logo. Is this a real tea leaf? That is amazing. So I ordered 2 different types, and looks like that's what we have. So don't need that anymore. Look at the packaging. That is so adorable. I love it, I love it, I love it. So it's Westholme Canadian tea, 8 years in a cup. For the past 8 years, we have been on a journey to create a home for tea culture in Canada. The tradition of tea is closely tied to place, the region, the mountain, the slope. The tea we grow is an authentic expression of the land, soil, and climate of our farm. We celebrate the area we are in and want to give a sense of the origin of the tea by calling ourselves Westholme Tea Farm. In 2010, we cast our lot entirely with tea culture by planting 200 Camellia Sineses seedlings on the south-facing slopes of the farm. Okay, what I got was some maple smoked green and swallowtail oolong. So these 2 packages are different tea. They're both grown in BC, Canada, and packaged there too. So cute. Love their stamps. I actually love their branding. So first up we have this one, which is maple smoked green, and this one I paid $15 for 10 grams. This one is swallowtail oolong. Now oolong is, it's an adorable tea, but it takes a lot of time to actually make an oolong tea. It's the process of the rolling the leaves afterwards. So this swallowtail oolong tea that was grown in BC, Canada for 10 grams cost me $35. Let's take a peek. Their packaging is cute, has a little rip tab there. Oh, wow. It actually kind of reminds me of a hint of cannabis when I was in high school. Not that I did it, I don't judge, just not for me. Never did it, never tried it. Not my cup of tea. But it's very interesting, it's very smoked smelling. And you can smell a bit of that maple. So I'm back. I believe that this adorable pink scale will do well for us here. This is also in our Etsy shop. I'll leave the link below if you're slightly interested. That is fascinating. Completely stunned by the smell. Next up, the oolong. So excited about this. Again, this one was $35, so a little bit of a splurge for 10 grams of tea, but I'm gonna say it's gonna be worth it. Same type of thing, a little bit of a tape over it, seal it up. Oh, wow. That is rich in the most beautiful way. Wow. Here you can see it's the leaves, they're wound up. This is what they say, a swallowtail oolong. Sailing through the sky on graceful wings, the swallows settle in on the farm in late spring. Their delightful invisible presence is always a welcome harbinger of longer and warmer days to come. Inspired by this, we created a semi-oxidized oolong-style tea with a delightful amber liqueur. A lovely smooth cup with a warm buttery finish and notes of honey. Leaves were hand-plucked, withered, rolled, and bruised, oxidized before pan roasting, cooled, and baked several times. The tea was then wok finished. Brewing suggestions: a healthy tablespoon of leaves, so about 2.5 grams. So if you want to think of it that way, I have 10 grams, so I have 4 cups of boiling water. Steep for 5 minutes, sip and enjoy. But of course, re-steep multiple times and that's gonna bring that cost down. Beautiful. Well, there you have it, a quick unboxing of a Canadian tea. Cannot wait to test these out and bring it back to you and let you know what my thoughts are after you're testing and retesting and really being able to sit down and enjoy them. So I'll be back. Any questions, please leave me a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and bang that bell to get notified each time I post new videos. And hopefully it won't be too long and I'll be back to you with a review on the taste of this and how it brews up. Until next time, take care.